respected principal ma'am, headmistress ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Adya and I am Nikeshri. Today we are here to celebrate a very special day, that is Republic Day. Every year on the 26th of January, we celebrate this day to honor the day when our country India became a republic in 1950. Do you know what that means? It means that India has its own set of rules and laws to run the country, written in a very important book called Constitution of India. This book was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and his team. It teaches us to